of breaking rules, on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue, on the edge.
I'm procrastinating.
With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you.
Okay, so I done some consultancy work this morning, done a bit of YouTube work this morning, done a bit of organising around the house, and I just want to make myself a cold brew coffee just so I can keep going all afternoon, because I'm catching up with a friend that I used to work with later on this afternoon or this evening after he finishes work. I haven't seen him in a couple of months, and I'm really looking forward to seeing him and catching up with all the goss. So I just want to have a little bit of a pick-me-up so I don't go and sit on the couch, start watching something on Netflix, and then just chill out there until like 6 o'clock tonight. So I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to go through some planning set up for December, because it is December already next week, and it is crazy, and this week is going to be full on with packing, moving, all that kind of fun stuff, and just wanting to make sure everything is prepped, set up, ready to go, so that there's no interruptions to just daily routine and work schedule throughout that transition period. So I've just gotten an email come through from the real estate agent saying that the other tenant has finally disconnected all of their internet services, so I couldn't connect my internet until the old tenant had disconnected theirs. So now that that's been done and that's all taken care of, now I can go ahead and order that. So that takes usually 3 days, which means it will be up and ready to go by the time we move in. So we will get onto that, but in the meantime I'm gonna make a coffee.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules, on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue, on the edge, leaning out.
That is the last iced coffee I'm gonna make in this place. So that's the last cold brew iced coffee, I should say. And by the looks of that, that is pretty strong. So I've just got ice, cold brew coffee. Just gonna stick in some milk. This is not my favorite almond milk. My favorite almond milk to make iced coffee is the Califia almond milk. But this is long life, so it's more convenient. The other one you have to keep refrigerated. And then I'm just gonna add some caramel. Caramel. We say caramel. So caramel iced coffee. And it's just the tiniest bit, just because I don't like super sweet coffee, but this just makes it something special. That's goodness. Oh, that is good. Holy moly, that is strong. I'm going to be wide awake all afternoon. Actually, it's so hot. I've got a feeling that my eldest son is going to ask me to pick him up from high school to drop him over to his dad's, rather than him having to catch a bus. So I'm anticipating that text, that "Mom, can you come pick me up?" text. Oh, what's going on? Oh, the ice is just blocking the straw. Alright, so let's get planning for productivity for December and just getting a few things sorted out. I'm procrastinating. But you know, it's been like literally the worst week, because you know that there's so much stuff to do, but I can't get started until the moving crates that I've ordered arrive tomorrow. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Every time I move, I just use this service that deliver these really sturdy plastic moving crates, and it's really quite affordable. I think for the moving package that I choose, it's $129 Australian dollars for a week rental period, and it gives you 40 of these huge, big, really sturdy moving crates. The wheeling skate dolly trolley things that fit them perfectly, so you can move them so super easily. And especially if you are moving in and out of a place that's got a lift, it makes it so quick and easy. And then they've got like a couple of different size crates for like IT priority stuff and really super essential things that you don't want to go missing, like, you know, your Apple TV or your TV remotes or all the little things that could potentially get lost in the move. And some like padded bags to move your TV and computer gear in. So I think that's a really great service. It is so much easier than trying to assemble the old-fashioned cardboard boxes, using the cardboard boxes, taping them up. It takes so long to assemble them, and you've got to get rid of them when you're done. So I would highly recommend, if you have it available in your area, go with those green crates moving service, because it just makes the moving process so simple. Just having a uniform shape and size of moving boxes too just makes it easy to just pack everything up so quickly. And when I've had removalists, they say this is a dream, and it saves so much time for them having to move rather than having to carry boxes or odd mishmash shaped boxes and bags and things like that. It's just, you get the crates, you stack them on the thing, they wheel out, they sit into the truck like super easy. They're really easy to fasten and like secure in the truck as well, and makes moving a breeze. So definitely recommend that. Anyway, enough procrastinating. Let's go get some work done.
Thanks for calling Telstra. Now please just say or enter it.
I don't have one.
Sorry, I missed that.
I don't have one.
Thanks. Please hold.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat.
Well, this is taking positively forever. Oh my god. So I have finished organizing the internet. I just changed my address with insurance. So for the contents, home contents insurance, car insurance, obviously you need to update your address details. And then just updating personal details with banks, all that fun stuff. I literally wish there was a way where you could just update your details in one place and it just shot out to whoever you gave approval to access it to. It'd be much simpler. Like, that experience with Telstra was horrific. It took so long. I was on the phone this time for 22 minutes, and like throughout the last 2 weeks I've been calling up every few days trying to see if the line was available for me to be able to connect it. Literally, the place that I got my internet here from, Gigafy, it was so painless. You fill out a form online and then they just connect it automatically. There is no drama, no rigmarole. All the equipment is already here, so you just sign up, connect right there and then. Anyway, we're getting there. So it's not the most fun of things to get done, but when you move, that's all part and parcel of it. So getting it all done. Stick at it. Still at it. Alright, like literally, I think it's 3 hours later, and I'm still updating addresses, details, insurance policies, all that fun stuff. But I think I've done everything that I need to do. Just need to update my PO box address details, and then I think that is it. So not the most highly entertaining or fun, but just having like a little checklist of everything that you have to do. So everything is disconnected from here, set to be disconnected. Everything is reconnected or organized to be set up at the new place. So that's pretty much it from the admin side of moving. Now I just need to wait for the moving crates to arrive tomorrow, and may the fun of packing commence. So I'm looking forward to that. But for now, I'm just going to keep on with all of my planning for December for both YouTube, work, and just personal home admin. And then just see how long that takes. I think I'll spend probably another 30 or 40 minutes on that, and then check in again. Okay, so these are the calendars I use. I use this one to fill out and put on the fridge. I've already filled out December, but I've just popped it up in the fridge. It's got some like school details, so I don't want to share that on the internet. And then this is what I use to map out YouTube videos for the month. Obviously I haven't filled it out yet because I want to keep some things a surprise. And then I just keep one of these in front of my computer for a little daily tracking reminder. And I find having it all written out by hand, I know this is not going to suit everyone. Some people are probably really prefer to do it online on an online calendar, but I like writing it out because not only will I remember what's coming up, just that act of writing out a to-do list, I am probably, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 times more likely to get it done if it is all planned out. I don't take the time to plan out. I am far less productive. Now juggling that extra contract project, I really want to make sure that I stay on top of this because it's just going to be a busy month in general. So I am just quickly going to throw together a very easy stir fry using up some things that I have around the house. So this I had in the pantry and this I had in the fridge. So I just add some fresh veggies and I'm just going to make it a veggie stir fry. I'm not going to make it chicken because I know lots of people who follow are vegetarians. I used to be vegetarian for a good many years. I actually just stopped when I was pregnant and breastfeeding my first son. So 5 years a vegetarian. So just going to include some of these more veggie friendly options. Great thing is it's also much cheaper.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess
I wake up from the sunshine on my face.
Blue Jay.
So dehydrated, don't know what to.
I love this movie so much. It is literally one of my favorite movies ever. And when I'm doing something, I like to put on a movie that I've seen before, a TV series that I've seen before, just to kind of have it going in the background. Sometimes there's a difference to just having music on. So I haven't seen this in a while and I love it. It's so heartwarming. It's such a great movie. It does make you cry though. Just in one bit. It is sad in one bit. But it's so happy in all the rest of it. So I'm gonna watch this and make a move with packing up the Christmas tree. I've decided to make that the first thing I pack up. It's probably gonna be the hardest thing to pack up here. And honestly, I've kind of been feeling a little bit like emotional about packing up everything here just because of everything that has happened in this apartment since I've moved here. So it's the perfect movie to watch while you're doing something that is a little bit emotional.
Sleeping by my side. What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence. Until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow.
So that is the tree de-ornamented. I just popped it back on for some background lights and it took like 20 minutes, which is pretty good because I wasn't, going super fast or anything. So I think I'm going to wrap up this video here, and then if you want to see more moving fun and packing and all of that good stuff, be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for another video later on in the week. And I will also do like an empty house tour, so looking forward to sharing that with you guys because it's really nice in the comments. It's like you're really excited to be sharing this whole journey with us, so definitely excited. But yeah, just all the fun of actually packing up the house tomorrow. So the thing is, I don't really like to pack too far in advance of moving. Otherwise, you're kind of half packed, you've got boxes all around your house. Anytime you need something that you've already packed, you're going through it and rummaging through boxes. So I kind of like to not leave it to the super last minute, but leave it as close as possible to the actual moving day, just so you're not living in and out of boxes for the least amount of time possible. So tomorrow's Thursday, get the keys on Friday, but I don't have actual removalist book until Monday. The boys and I are just going to move all of the kind of light and essential and breakable and special things over the weekend, and then the removalist will just come in and do all the heavy lifting and all the furniture and all that kind of stuff, and you know, heavy boxes and things that removalists are good at on Monday. I will definitely make videos and vlog the whole process. I'll keep you updated both here on YouTube and also over on Insta stories. So if you're interested, come over there and have a look. It is where you'll see all the little behind the scenes. So I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
Was sleeping by my side. What did I do last night?